Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn top 80 polite, useful, and most common English conversations about going to watch the World Cup. The FIFA World Cup is one of the biggest sporting events in the world. Whether you're watching at the stadium, at home, or with friends, these common English expressions will help you communicate naturally and confidently with other football fans. Let's get started. 1. Hello. 2. Hi, are you going to watch the World Cup? 3. Yes, I am. 4. Are you free this weekend? 5. Would you like to watch the World Cup with me? 6. That sounds great. 7. Which team are you supporting? 8. I'm supporting Brazil. 9. I'm cheering for Argentina. 10. Who do you think will win? 11. I think France has a good chance. 12. What time does the match start? 13. It starts at 8 p.m. 14. Shall we leave early? 15. Yes, let's avoid the traffic. 16. Where are we watching the match? 17. At a sports bar. 18. At my friend's house. 19. Can I invite another friend? 20. Of course. 21. Do we need to buy tickets? 22. I already bought the tickets. 23. Thank you so much. 24. You're welcome. 25. Which seat is ours? 26. It's in section A. 27. The stadium is amazing. 28. The atmosphere is incredible. 29. Look at all the fans. 30. Everyone looks excited. 31. The players are coming out. 32. The match is about to begin. 33. What a fantastic goal. 34. That was an amazing save. 35. The referee blew the whistle. 36. It's halftime now. 37. Would you like something to eat? 38. I'd like some popcorn, please. 39. I'll get some drinks. 40. Thank you. 41. The second half is starting. 42. The game is getting exciting. 43. What a close match. 44. That was a great pass. 45. The goalkeeper is playing well. 46. Our team scored. 47. Let's celebrate. 48. Come on, keep fighting. 49. The fans are cheering loudly. 50. This is an unforgettable match. 51. The match is over. 52. Congratulations to the winning team. 53. They played really well. 54. Better luck next time. 55. Did you enjoy the match? 56. Yes, I had a wonderful time. 57. It was worth watching. 58. Let's watch the next match together. 59. I'd love to. 60. Who is playing tomorrow? 61. Let's check the schedule. 62. I can't wait for the final. 63. The World Cup is always exciting. 64. I love football. 65. This is my favorite tournament. 66. Let's take a photo together. 67. Smile for the camera. 68. The crowd is amazing tonight. 69. I hope our team wins. 70. Don't lose hope. 71. Every match is unpredictable. 72. Football brings people together. 73. Thanks for inviting me. 74. It was my pleasure. 75. Have a safe trip home. 76. See you at the next match. 77. Take care. 78. Goodbye. 79. Have a wonderful day. 80. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope these 80 useful English conversations help you speak more naturally, improve your listening skills, build your vocabulary, and communicate confidently when talking about the World Cup and football with people from around the world. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends so more people can learn English together. We truly appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.